am Marlon Roño, a cooperative leader, builder, and people development professional. Today, about 10.8 million Filipino workers are around the world, seeking opportunities and improving the lives of their families. Through their hard work, about $40 billion is remitted to the Philippines annually, supporting the economy and contributing 10% of the country's GDP. Driven by the desire to help overseas Filipino workers secure their future, I established a cooperative for overseas workers and their families way back in 1986. My goal was clear: to unite and empower them. This cooperative, Mag-Co-op, has become a major cooperative movement serving the needs of overseas Filipino workers. To scale our success, we established a co-federation and invited other primary cooperatives across the country to join the initiative. Given the opportunity to be part of the ICA, I hope to bring people, organizations, and sectors together to serve our communities better. Because we are strongest when we work together across sectors. And it would be an honor to help build bridges and strengthen cooperation. I look forward to working with fellow ICA members in advancing cooperatives as builders of opportunities, resilience, and inclusivity.